Yo, what up? It's your man Jay White, first name, last name. Wealth Wednesdays after party with your man Jay White. You see who to my left, probably your right. You don't know this woman, you gotta tighten up. Amy Luciani.
I'm here, y'all. What up?
What up,
What up, though? What up, though?
You here, but where we at? Tell them where we at.
We are at InvestFest 2023.
Yeah.
I am pumped up.
Yeah.
I'm motivated.
Yeah.
I'm making money.
Yeah.
It's all about a coin.
Yeah.
And I'm getting it. So I'm excited.
You got enough flyers, yo?
Listen, I ain't taking no more flyers. I'm acting like I don't even hear you. If you say, can you? My cameraman.
Yo, real quick, for the people that been living under a rock, tell them who you are and what you about, yo.
Yes. Recording artist first. I'm a recording artist, songwriter.
Let go.
Yeah. I just joined the TV forces, so I'm the newest main cast member of Love and Atlanta.
Yeah.
Been doing the season 11 for the last couple months. It's going really good. And I am the owner and creator of a product called My Pretty Kittie.
Yeah.
For our skin.
We're going to get into that.
Yeah, we're going to get into it. So I'm here with the product. I'm just excited to be amongst the people hustling.
No, you got a good energy. You vibing. I mean,
you got to keep
vibing
that.
off the vibe, right?
You got to have a vibe.
Vibe off the vibe.
Don't
That's
wait
crazy.
for the vibe. Create it.
Yo, that's a shirt, yo.
Vibe off the vibe.
I'm about to do that.
Hurry up at LLC. You know they'll run off with it real fast.
I'm about to do that. So, you know, my show is about how celebrities are able to leverage their celebrity into entrepreneurship.
Right.
So you talked about you the newest cast member of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. What's that been like? And you said for a couple months so far?
We've been taping season 11 for a few months now.
Well, they reached out to you? They said, we need you, yo?
They said they've reached out to me actually a few times.
Okay. What made you give in this time then?
It just made sense. It was perfect. Even down to storyboards and stories and down to just people on the show, the time in my life.
Yeah.
Everything made sense. So,
okay, good.
You know, they reached out before and it was crazy relationship stuff going on. It just wouldn't make sense to exploit that. But right now it just makes sense. I got my businesses going, my music is, you know, everything. I got a team now.
Okay.
So it just made sense this year to do it.
What's that transition been like to not have a team to having a team? Because a lot of people be like, yo, hurry up, get a team. But your business doesn't want you to get a team. So what's that transition been like to getting a team?
I can agree to that. That's really important. I know a lot of people who follow me and support me from social media. They DM me and they ask questions all the time. And it's like, I need a team right now. I need to get a manager. I need an assistant. I need a photographer. And I always tell people when they say levels to it, it's so cliche, but it is.
But
when you're starting off, you are trying to do as much bartering as possible, as much exchanging as possible, as much trying to keep your money in your pocket to put inside your business, to put back into you. So we sometimes, because of social media, come into the business, we think it's too big. You got to have the best makeup artist, but then no, my makeup looked terrible a couple years ago. You got to have the best videographer. It's so many levels to it, and I feel like instead of spending so much money on trying to look the part and keep up with somebody whose business probably has already been running for a couple years. They kind of made it to the other side on business or entrepreneurship. People got to stop trying to chase that next level and enjoy like level 1, then 2, then 3 and grow. And I feel like the best part of what I always tell people is you don't want to be your own financial ruin as a new business. Because you're trying to look like somebody like you. Or not even be funny, somebody like me who if you take it back to years ago, we didn't have this going on.
Of course not.
We didn't, you know what I mean?
If you would have seen your boy a couple of years ago.
That part.
You hear me?
And that's the real part about it. But I know we just go into like, I see her, she's great. It looks like she's doing something successful. Let me go get a team. Let me get an assistant. Baby, it is a level.
It's the gift and the curse with social media, like you were saying. You can see me pop out and hop out, whatever I'm in, but you don't know what I've been through to get here.
I was hopping out of foreign rentals.
Same.
In the beginning.
Let me tell you what your boy did that I ain't never told nobody. You ready for this?
What?
Your boy couldn't afford a car, so what I did was rented a U-Haul. $19.99.
Now that is the smartest.
I rented a U-Haul for about 3 months.
That is so
when you
it's
see your
crazy
boy
but smart.
I'm thinking like I ain't had the money for a car note, but I had $19.99.
And I ain't got to worry about no insurance on it.
Come on, man.
What?
You got to make it do what it do. So when people talk about levels, like you said, I understand levels.
I'm inspired by that.
I appreciate it.
You was thinking out the box for real,
Come on,
for real.
Man. Come on. Come on, Detroit. Now, you from Detroit.
Yes.
Is that where your love for music and whatever came from, or your family? Explain that to me.
You know what? I would actually have to say you're right about my love starting in my hometown, my roots. My family, so I have 5 siblings, 4 sisters,
Okay.
and 1 brother. Well, I'm one of 4 girls, so
All right.
4 girls, 1 boy. We've been a music group. My sister and I wrote our first song, I think, in like 5th and 6th grade.
Oh, wow.
And then 3 years later, we had a group.
What's the name of that joint? What's the name of the
Our
group?
group
and the
name was
song?
Entrance.
Okay.
Entrance, yes. So my sisters, the 2 youngest in the group, won the McDonald's National Children's Apollo competition.
wow.
It was like 50,000 kids competing. So we've been doing it a long time, but music, we just started naturally, like listening to music. Of course, Motown, my mom and dad was all about the Mecca and Motown, and you got to know history on this. So me just hearing it so much, I think me and my sister naturally were like, let's write some music and listen to instrumentals and listen to beats and fake freestyle.
Yeah.
So it was there from the beginning.
Yeah.
I think my household always had like a little talent show or something going on.
Yeah, that's dope. I see you with the shoulder action.
Yeah, little son. We was in the basement
Hit him
thinking
with
we
the
was.
shoulders. Hit him with the shoulders.
We thought we was Destiny Child, TLC, the Jackson 5, all of them.
What do you think your genre of music is? Even though you're, because I hear you saying artist,
Yes.
you're not putting yourself in a bubble, right?
Right.
So what do you think your music closely resembles if you would have to put it in a category like that?
My music will resemble any artist that gives like just a raw, real feeling. Like I don't really do a lot of music about stuff that's not a part of my life. I rap a lot about the hustle, the grind, just motivation. I rap about the being knocked down, the getting back up. I rap about how the businesses can be taken advantage, how you could be in a messed up contract, how you can not know about coins, not like just the hustle of a woman. Only thing that I've seen with my eyes, like waking up as a black girl, making my money, losing my money, going up, going back down, going up, going back down. So my music is in the genre of anybody that makes music that when you listen to it, you can be like, damn, I actually can relate to that.
That's dope.
And I want to circle back and hear some more of the story. So I write music for us.
It sounds like cookout music too, because you know when I get a plate in my hand, I get
now I got bops now.
Okay, I need to bounce.
I got them for the ratchet.
All right.
College Girl.
Yeah.
That's the new single.
Okay. What's the name of it?
It's Where Them Girls At.
All right.
So WTGA, and I wrote it for us.
Okay.
And when I say us, I am the face of the down, the middle, and the up.
Okay.
So it's for us. So my music is really always like, when you hear it, you know.
Yo, you got like a real powerful voice. Not like you got a real powerful voice. Anybody told you got a voice like you should be on radio, speaking engagements, etc.?
I've heard that.
Because when you talk, you gotta listen.
Yeah.
Plus, then you saying some substance too. So
yeah.
You got a real
I've
powerful
heard
voice.
that.
You don't do no speaking engagements, yo?
I don't, but I did my first big one. I've had offers and ideas of people coming, but you know how you be doing too much stuff. You like, I ain't trying to get stretched in every single lane that's popular.
Yeah.
But I did actually host a big entrepreneurship ball.
Okay.
We had Black China out. I gave her an award.
All right.
Gary from Dish Network.
Yep.
It was really big, and so it was my first gown event where I actually hosted it. I co-hosted with a celebrity choreographer, Mooney. Shout out to him. And I was like, when I did the event,
Was you nervous?
no.
All right, good.
I actually was like, I actually am great at this, but I don't want to do it again. I don't want to stretch it too thin. But I enjoyed the resume of being able to say I hosted it, and it was a real award show. Like I say, Dr. Angela White came out, so we gave her awards for her accomplishments. It was real big, and right after that, email was full of them.
Of course.
Can you come do this?
Let me get you back
no,
over here.
no. All the way down.
Let me get you back over here to do this. Yo,
No.
so you sound like, obviously, being from Detroit, big family,
Yes.
love for music.
Yes.
You got a hustle about you, of course, clearly.
Got to.
So talk to me about, what is it, Pretty Kittie?
Yes.
Talk to me about it.
Yes.
All right.
So my product, My Pretty Kittie, is a 3-step product. It's turmeric based, and it's a 3-step product. I have a soap bar, I have an oil, and I have a cream.
Okay.
And originally, when I started the product, which was about a year and a half ago, I started it specifically for the bikini area, with women, especially women of color, melanated women.
Okay.
We have a lot of hyperpigmentation issues, so it could be stressed or after giving birth, or after you shave, or after you wax, or just irritation. Honestly, too much sugar causes breakouts on our skin, so a lot of people were focused more on the face. And I just hanging around a lot of girls and having a bunch of sisters. I travel a lot, and I noticed on these beaches, I'd be ready to just come and just let it just be out. Where my bikini at? I'm ready.
Yeah.
And I had a lot of friends saying like, you are so lucky you don't have to wear the skirt and always kind of dress it sexy with the cover up.
Yeah.
And I was blessed to not have the issue, but I didn't know it was a real issue. And so one of my siblings was like, you ain't know that's why I always dress like this at the beach, sis? And I literally didn't know.
Yo, can I tell you why I think what I used to think until you just said that,
What?
why they wear the cover up?
Why?
Because they don't want all the dudes following that thing back there thinking. So you feel me? Like you got, that's what I thought.
Yeah, well, the cover up gonna make it show a little more. You still gonna see it.
Okay, that's what I thought it was for.
But it sometimes is that. It's because that is a reason. But some women just don't want the attention drawn to that.
Yeah.
Even if you wax, it's a lot of dark marks. You know how men get the y'all get
razor
the
bumps
razor
and all
bumps
that underneath here.
That's
Yeah.
hyperpigmentation from irritation. We get it as well from shaving and waxing. But what products do we have that is for such a sensitive body part, your vagina?
Yeah.
And I just kept looking around. I'm just like, all these women with all these issues, what are the products? And they have products, but it's not for us. Our skin needs a lot more enriched turmeric and a lot more vitamin C because we're darker.
Yeah.
So we scar and get blacker. The marks are much darker. So I just came up with the product. And at first, like I said, we started it for the bikini line because that was my main focal point. And then a lot of people were like, oh, by the way, I was using your product on my face, my elbows, my knees. And I'm like,
multi-use.
what?
Okay.
So we just relaunched it.
Oh, wow.
And now it's for skin all over.
Okay, how's it doing?
It's doing amazing.
That's what's
it's
up.
doing so good. And just to be a black woman in the skin, the skincare arena, I'm learning so much from coming to places like this and networking. And it's so different from being into music. So now I'm really learning just skin and so much about us. And turmeric is something that people are so slept on. I was slept on it. And now that I got my education on it and just my manufacturer is like, listen, turmeric it's the one.
Yeah.
It's the one, not the two. So my Pretty Kittie is definitely getting the
where's
girls
it being
together.
sold at? Where's it being sold at?
It's being sold on my website. It's sold online. We're not retailing it right now, but we are actually getting into a lot of big wax bars.
Yeah.
I'm focused more on black-owned wax bars in my city and, of course, in Atlanta.
Amy, let me get the website.
And then, D, throw me a kid.
Throw it over there. And what's the website?
And then, friend, let me tell you, because your lady right here.
Yep.
So let me just let you smell this, because you can smell this all on her, right?
Let me see.
It's already open. Just grab from the bottom.
All right.
Put a little. Now let me set the tone.
All right, come on now.
Sis, you wax or shave or natural? Okay. Pretty Kittie, a real pretty kitty. Now just imagine fresh wax, friend.
Okay.
Skin ball.
Let me close my eyes.
Close it.
Okay, go ahead.
Her. Right there with the balls. I know. just ball skin, okay?
Yeah.
Melanated coming out.
Yeah.
Fresh wax. So the skin is like baby bottom.
Right out the shower,
You,
too.
not her.
Okay, me.
Drop 2 drops of the turmeric oil. You massage it on there. You rub it.
Okay.
Smell it. Do a little extra. You already down there.
Of course I'm going to do something strange.
Do a little extra. You already down
You
there.
already know that.
And then when you know that it's just natural, so your face ain't going to be affected.
Okay, because,
Clean up your skin a little bit.
'Cause
it's a 2-for-1 deal.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And you can smell this on her.
Nah, this smell good.
Okay.
This smell
I'm giving you a kit, sis. I'm definitely giving you a kit.
Nah, this smell good for sure.
And a lot of people have turmeric-based products, but they do a lot of bleaching. They do a lot of lightening because it's a lot. So my products are balanced right in the middle where you don't have to worry about it lightening your skin like a lot of other turmeric products.
All right.
Mine is just going to fade hyperpigmentation over time versus a lot of these fast turmeric products where you would notice you have a light skin mark after a while from using it.
Yeah.
I went through a lot of manufacturers to really try to get a product that we could keep our tone, but we want to fade some of the scars, but we ain't trying to be lighter. So, yeah, this is definitely for us.
Yo, your face is lighting up when you're talking about
because I'm excited about it.
That's dope to see, right?
Yes.
When you said I inspired you about what I said, you're inspiring me by how you're talking about your
For
product.
sure.
What's your goal, though? Do you got an end goal with your product?
My
talk to
goal
me about
is
it.
I'm going to be like the Black Kylie Jenner, but a little bigger.
Okay.
So I'm going to dominate the skincare
Way
for
bigger,
us.
not a little.
A lot bigger.
Let's speak it into existence.
I'm gonna take over that lane, and we're checking out razors for us, shaving razors for us.
Okay.
I'm really learning about our skin and what's causing it. So we're gonna have our own shaving cream.
Yeah.
We're gonna have our own waxing.
Yeah.
We're gonna have our own aftershave for y'all.
That's what's up.
We are really about to take in the skincare for Black women. We go and support so many products, and we just because we want to support these big names and celebrities, we'll go buy the products. They're not even geared for your skin.
Yeah.
But I get it. We have to buy it because what else you going to buy?
Peep this out, yo. Because you're so excited about your product, I am too. So if you need an investor, your boy is right here. I got a little something in this pocket that I can put
say it one more
towards
time. Just one more time.
If you need an investor for your product, I got a little something in this pocket. And this shoe down here too.
You got it, friend.
Come on, man.
You look like you got it on
I'm
you.
dead serious.
Yeah,
because if somebody believing in their product that hard and then talking about with that intelligence and gave me all the real visuals,
right,
I can invest in something like that.
And it's the kit for your queen too.
All right, I appreciate it.
Now he didn't use a little bit. My man to start using the products too. Now he might take it and start putting it on his feet, his little elbows. So just know,
come on,
don't be trying to run her product out her side of the bathroom.
I'm gonna do it how I gotta do it.
That feels good. I definitely want to connect and network because I am here for that.
That's what we're here for.
And although we just got the office space for it, we just got the fulfillment center for it.
Yeah.
We just hired people on, so we've been really coming to places like this. And I got a good team, a good team that believes in the product. So
we're gonna stay connected.
We are.
Make sure if you need my money, I'm gonna give it to you.
I need your money. Sis, is it okay? Ask the queen. Can I get some of it? You look like you taking care of. You get a lot. I just want a little bit of that.
I got you. Yo.
You got me. Okay. We gonna network.
I appreciate you being here, yo. Taking the time out. How can the people reach you and continue to follow you, yo?
Definitely. So all my social media handles, I'm Amy Luciani World on all social media. That's AMYLUCIANI World.
Yeah.
My website is myprettykitty.com. The pretty is with an I. So myprettykitty.com. You can get the bundles. You can buy them individually. Yeah. We got new products we're about to come out with. So you're going to be seeing a lot of My Pretty Kitty and Amy Luciani. You're
doing good for yourself. Yes. Ray Charles can see you shining over there. Hey, look, I appreciate you. Catch this episode and more every Wednesday night, ERR. Every Wednesday night, you hear me? Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you don't watch this episode, you don't even rock with me.
Thank you.